Greetings everyone. In this video tutorial, we will learn how we can disable automatic updates on Windows 10.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
I am using Windows 10 Home Edition. Anyway, to disable updates, go to the Start menu and type Windows Updates. Click on it. As you can see, it's downloading at the moment. One of the easiest options is simply pausing it. It will pause for a week time from today. If you want to extend the pause date, go to the Advanced option and you can choose the date here. However, the maximum permitted date is about a month time, so we can only pause till 12 Jan 2021. So as you can see, we have managed to pause it for more than a month's time. The other option is, if you go to Advanced Options, you can see the download updates over metered connection is turned off. Just leave as it is. We'll turn our Wi-Fi to a metered option. To do that, simply go to your Wi-Fi, click on Properties and set it as metered connections so that you will not have automatic updates on this connection. However, this only works with Wi-Fi and not LAN connection. Anyway, now again go to Start menu and type Control Panel. Change the view by to large icons, go to Administrative Tools, and here you can find Services. Click on it and find Windows Update here. These are arranged alphabetically. Here is it. Double click on it. If I click on Stop Now, it will only work on the current session. So you would want to disable it. Simply choose Disable and then Apply and OK. So now you can see the status is disabled. If in case you want to make it as how it was, click on it and choose this option. Apply, Start it and OK. So it's running, but I want to disable it. So this is how you can quickly disable updates on Windows 10. Thank you very much.